Welcome to the segment of Higher Perspective. In this segment, we talk about the things that really matter. So today, the guest is the campus director, Seema Gupta, ma'am. So let's focus.
Hi.
So, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very good and thanks for having me here. It's a pleasure to always talk to students.
Thank you, ma'am. So, without further delays, we'll get directly to the questions. So, in your current tenure as the director, how has your meetups with SPTM been?
So this is the first time that I am interacting with pharmacy students, and I thought they will be very technical, but to my surprise, they were very communicative, and they were very expressive, and they had a lot of clarity of thought, which I really liked. So they are good.
Ma'am, this exuberance really comes from the idea that we also want to compete against the management students. We are really into this field as well. So, the same question to you. Since our course is very unique, it's amalgamation of pharmacy as well as management. What is your opinion about it? I mean, can you please highlight the micro level and macro level perspectives, as in how we deal with it is we study the pharmacy concepts but with a management point of view. So can you please?
Yeah, I think this is a wonderful program because nowadays the scope is in multidisciplinary. So the jobs of future will be at the intersection of two disciplines, which is exactly what the program is doing. So on one hand, you have technical expertise regarding R&D, regarding clinical trials, and at the same time, the students will have leadership qualities, will know how to collaborate, and so will be able to come up with innovative solutions which are relevant for healthcare and pharma industry.
Yes.
So at micro level, I see that there will be more product development. The pharmaceutical brands
Yes.
can be managed in a better way. So all the principles of brand management can be applied to pharma, and the scope of pharma industry anyways has increased after the COVID pandemic. And at macro level, I see the pharma industry to be growing, more job creations happening,
Yes.
more data and digital getting used in healthcare, and more efficient operations, and more data driven decision making. So at micro as well as macro level, I see lot of transformation which will happen in the industry because of programs like these.
Definitely, ma'am. This is a very unique course that has been offered in really a few of the campuses, and of course, we have that first movers advantage. I mean, extrapolating to the previous question, I would like to ask you that, for example, that this is the thing we are equipped with, the domain of pharma as well as the domain of management. What are the additional skills you think that we require to enter this corporate field, which is right now? Because 10 years earlier, or even for that matter 5 years earlier, the scenario was totally different. It was conducted in a very orthodox way, where it was the corporate climate. But right now, what I have observed is that content has been preferred before anything, and what the work is done has been kept behind the doors rather than the content. And everybody is so much into digitalization and I mean, putting their work up front to the world. What's your opinion on it?
So it's important not just to do great work, but also to tell the world about this great work so people can appreciate, and value can be extracted. So two things are really shaping the future. So one is data, another is digital.
Yes.
So the graduates will need to be very good in, say, digital marketing or digital transformation. They would be able to develop digital products. Similarly, huge amount of data is getting generated So using artificial intelligence to augment clinical trials and foster
Yeah.
new R&D in pharmaceutical industry would be crucial.
Fast
All
food
said and
process.
and all said and done, what is important is leadership abilities, irrespective of whether you are from pharma industry or automobile or any industry. What is required is collaborative skills, creativity, adaptability, and ability to solve complex problems. Because the problems of future are not going to be simple or unidimensional. They will be multidimensional, and they will require the graduates to have multiple skills, not just pharma but also management skills. So, problem solving, critical thinking, leadership, creativity, ability to work in teams, these are the skills I would like to see
Basically, all the
from
human skills.
students. The soft skills.
Yeah.
And they come with practice. They can't be like you read in a textbook and suddenly you'll become a good leader. So it doesn't work like that. It comes with practice.
It really sounds as if the khichdi can be prepared, but you need to add your own spices to enhance the flavor.
Yes, that's a good metaphor.
Yeah. So, to the viewers, that's it. This was the higher perspective that we got from our director, ma'am. And this is your host, Sakshi Maure, signing off from the first episode of Higher Perspective. Stay tuned.